Typemite Entertainment, the home of downloadable children's books, proudly presents a Dog, Cat, and Mat story. Episode 1, Act 1, A Cat Stands Guard. A day begins and a day ends with the story of three good friends. One is a dog, one is a cat, third is a young boy with the name Matt. Callio is a small cat of orange and gold. She's most often timid and not often bold. But inside the bedroom with her dog and boy, bravery was something Callio could enjoy. In the early morning a loud chime Callio did hear, but being a brave cat, she showed no great fear. She was, however, worried about her sleeping dog, so she hid under his tail and kept still as a log. Drew is a big dog of black and brawn. He is slowly waking with a stretch and a yawn. Drew slowly advances with a crawl and a creep, checking to see if his boy is asleep. Matt is a boy around the age 9, with messy brown hair more thick than fine. He has a bright smile and mischievous grin, with long arms and legs and a dimpled chin.